5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Triple step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is everything you learned tonight. We started off with walking. Walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk, cut off whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. You can go back to walking, or you can make it a continuous cutoff whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6. Back to walking, or you can do that whole thing again. Boom, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba. You can walk it out a little bit. Walk, walk, triple step, walk, walk. Back to cutoff whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I've been DJ John Paul. This has been the lovely Kortnee. All right, back in your lines, we're going to give you a song to practice. Do some walking, do some cutoff whips, and a couple continuous whips just for funsies.